Welcome to Landmark Homes Logan model. Let's go in and check it out. Welcome to the Logan model. This model is 3,812 square feet. On the right-hand side, you enter into the dining room. This dining room has nice large windows that overlook the front lawn. We're going to walk back into the foyer, past the stairwell going to the second floor, and we're going to go down into the basement. This basement is a large basement just waiting for a personal touch. It is also a walkout basement. And back up to the main floor we go. From the foyer, we walk into the great room. Just notice the great flow of this home. Immediately to the right is a dry bar. And into a nice modern kitchen. In this kitchen is a lovely island with ample seating and lots of prep space for cooking. The kitchen is modern, functional, and beautiful with its two-tone colors. Off to the side of the refrigerator is a lovely pantry. The entry to the home from the garage comes right in next to the kitchen, right into the great room, making it very convenient, and the flow is really good. The garage itself is a 3-bay garage, giving ample space. Entering the home from the garage, you walk directly into a mudroom where you can dump off your muddy boots. Just off the great room is a deck, just waiting for grilling some burgers, hot dogs, or just having a good old time. Check out all the light pouring in through these large windows. These windows are almost from the floor to the ceiling. Walking just off of the great room in this particular home is a first floor bedroom. Just outside of the bedroom to the right-hand side is a full bath that services the main floor of this home. From the great room, walking back toward the front door, and on the right-hand side, we walk up the stairs to the second floor. At the top of the stairs, you're greeted with a spacious landing and a wide hallway leading back to the bedrooms and the laundry room. The laundry room is located on the second floor in close proximity to most of the bedrooms. The first bedroom we walk into is at the end of the hallway. It is an ensuite with a walk-in closet. Moving on into the next bedroom, this is also an ensuite with a walk-in closet. The bath in this room is shared with the room next to it. And we move into the next bedroom, which also has a walk-in closet. Moving from this bedroom down the wide, spacious hallway, we are going to go into the primary suite. This primary suite is quite large and can easily hold a king-size bed and other furniture. Again, just look at all of the light pouring in through these large windows. Let's take a look at this magnificent primary bath, which is like the home's own spa. There is a tiled walk-in shower. This bath is equipped with dual vanities, one to the left and one to the right of the soaking tub. The primary closet, which is nice and large, is located at the back of the primary bathroom. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Logan. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. If you'd like to get in contact with us to see any homes in the Hershey, Palmyra, Annville, Lebanon area, check out our contact information in the description below. Ciao for now.